this pain is passing, can you hold back the show for a while? The hat that I'm wearing, the storms are all brewing, baby, it's time to go on. The structure is holding, and the wood is cracking, and the thoughts are all starting to fall. And there's more to say than what's been said, people are trying to go on. Let it rain, let it pour, let these skeletons darken my door. Lay the past in the graveyard of things that can't hold me no more. Breathe it deep, let it out. Wash the bitterness out of your mouth. There's no room left for darkness, be filled with the light at the top. So you might as well face this, so the slate can again be wiped clean. Stand on the shore of tomorrow's horizons, let music set you free. Let it rain, let it pour, let these skeletons darken my door. Lay the past in the graveyard of things that can't hold me no more. Breathe it deep, let it out. Wash the bitterness out of your mouth. There's no room left for darkness, we can deal with the light at the top. All fighters and thieves, there it is with the music that sets their hearts free. I smash these strings till my fingers bleed. Let down all your burdens, sing back to me. Let it rain, let it pour, let these skeletons